Morning guys, ayan, para daw kay Lacson. Kung tatakbo daw si Inday Sara, siya daw ang pinaka the best na president para sa 2028. Ayan, ano pong masasabi niyo dyan mga kaaring thinking natin? Diba nagulat ako? Si Ping biglang nagsalita.
Speaking of Mayor Sara Duterte, make no mistake, if the next leader of our country would emerge from the young, fresh, and new faces in national politics, my top choice right now is Sara Duterte. She's strong-willed, stern, vibrant, progressive-minded, and has obviously good leadership qualities. Yung track record niya rin, pati yung experience niya as
So, ayan po guys, maagang pangangampanya po ni Senator Ping Lacson. Ano pong masasabi niyan? Si VP Sara daw ang pinaka-top choice niya sa 2028. Kayo, sino po bang top choice nyo?